Hello everyone and welcome back to Nafi's Not Facing Garden. In today's video I'm going to be showcasing a rose which is guaranteed constant flowering. In fact, it's recommended from the David Austin's website as the most consistent flowering. So this rose flowers in partial shade, in low light conditions but not full dapple shade, and you can be guaranteed blooms throughout the growing season. Now this rose is none other than Bonica Rose. This rose is a floribunda rose. It flowers in clusters of dainty pink flowers which are quite very long-standing in the rain. This has been in flower for its first flush from the beginning of May, I think, and it's consistently flowered, although I've kept on top of deadheading. It flowers in these little clusters, a tight pink bud which opens into a quite beautiful, delicate flower, and it's constantly being visited by bees and other wildlife. In my garden, I think this is one of the most floriferous roses. Well, I lie, maybe second to Leonardo da Vinci, but it's been performing wonderfully. I will recommend this for anyone who is new to growing roses. This is a no-fuss rose, excellent as a rose hedge, but in my limited space I've had it growing in a pot and it's been performing wonderfully. This is one that I will recommend with no hesitation. It's easy care. It's also available on the David Austin's website. Although I got mine from a local garden center, this is from Friar's Roses, and it is a disease resistance, and it's also one that requires minimal effort, as I mentioned earlier. It is a Meilland rose, a beautiful floribunda that I will recommend.